Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're digging into how new drugs actually get approved in India. So, how does a new drug get launched in India? Well, the answer isn't as simple as you'd think. You see, it's not just one path. It's a strategic choice between two totally different routes to market.
To really get this, we've got to start with the key regulatory forms. The paperwork.
Right? These four forms are basically the gatekeepers. They control the entire journey from the lab to the pharmacy. Okay, first number you need to know, 90 days. That's the typical wait for a trial manufacturing permit. And that permit, known as Form CT11, once you've got it, it's valid for 3 whole years. And then there's the price tag, 5 lakh rupees, just to apply for the commercial sales license. So here's where the road splits. It all comes down to one simple question. What kind of study is needed? For new drugs, you need a full clinical trial. For generics, a study proving it works like the original. Think of it like this. It's either an uncharted expedition or a high-speed competitive race. Let's talk data. The new drug path needs a mountain of it. The generic path, just focused proof. And all that data means the timeline for a new drug is way, way longer. No surprise there. So what's the trade-off? It's huge scientific risk versus some really intense market competition. And you can really see it here. The cost difference is just massive. Those clinical trials are no joke. So your market strategy is set. You either aim for a monopoly or you get ready for a price war. So why does any of this matter? Because for a company, this is a fundamental business decision. It really boils down to this. Your business model decides your path. Are you an innovator or a super efficient producer? But even with all these differences, both journeys end up at the very same final step. Which leaves us with a pretty big question. Which of these paths will end up shaping India's pharma future?